What you know about parodies? Canada?
What do you know about cuteness?
What you know about